Hi, everybody. I'm David with Bolivar Live. Well, Monday was a big day here on the upper Texas coast. The uncrowning of our icon of beauty, the Bolivar Lighthouse. And what we're going to do today is we're going to look around a little bit. I had the opportunity to get up close, get up personal with the Bolivar Lighthouse crown. Once it came off the tower. And we're going to take a look around and talk about what it means and what the process is now on restoring the Bolivar Lighthouse. You know, it all kicked off about 4 weeks ago when I got a call. And what you're watching now is the actual lift from our recordings Monday. And I got a call about 4 weeks ago from Amy with the Lighthouse Foundation, and she said, David, I know you're busy, but I know you're going to want to make plans, so we can't announce it yet, but the top of the lighthouse is coming off. And I said, oh my gosh, you know, what a historic time here on Bolivar for our icon of beauty. And so first I want to thank RTA for going the extra mile to make sure we had the internet. The guys came in Sunday night, Joey did, helped me set up the trailer. They were both there early Monday morning so that we could bring you live on Bolivar Live TV as it happened. In fact, we streamed from about 9:30 or 10 Monday morning until after the crown came off Monday afternoon. I believe it was around 1:30 or so. And, you know, 150 years in the making of this. That's how old the Bolivar Lighthouse is. It just had its 150th birthday the beginning of the year, I believe. And, you know, 150 years in the making. The Lighthouse Foundation was formed to restore our icon of beauty. And for more information on the Lighthouse Foundation and how you can help, please visit their website at www.bolivarpointlighthouse.org. And I've got to put a link in the write-up of this. But please go read the history and what the steps are and some of the photos from inside the lighthouse. But I was watching from the office as the crown came off and hit the ground. And I got a call from Amy and said, David, it's on the ground now. Come down here and take a look at it. And so what we're looking at now is actually once it was on the ground. And you'll notice the bracing. You know, a lot of work went into this process. And we're going to talk a little bit about what McMillan Home Movers did to make sure this was a successful, safe, and keep everything intact process over the last probably month or 2 months. You know, I had the opportunity to talk to George McMillan, the owner of McMillan Home Movers. And as I was looking up inside the lighthouse at the dome, I was looking at the structure. And this was actually custom built, designed by him, and custom built to support the stays. There were 12 stays around the top that they had to cut loose. And this was a custom built lift rig that he had made to fit the Bolivar Lighthouse. And so you can see a lot of time and effort went in. There's a piece of glass that you just saw that was actually found around the base that used to go in that. But you know, the foundation was formed to help restore the lighthouse and eventually have it open to the public. This is going to be a lengthy process, and there you can see how it was clamped and shivved to keep everything in place there. And it's going to take, could be a year, could be 2 years before we see any activity down there. But with your help and your donation, the process can be sped up. And so I know I'd like to see the top go on and be lit again. As I've always said, the Bolivar Lighthouse is a icon of beauty that's known, and people come from all over the world to see here on Bolivar Peninsula. And without the top, over the last day or so, I've made several trips down there and shot pictures of the lighthouse and watched what work they're doing. And once the top's off now, they're actually having to go inside and pull down the layers of brick row by row and check the metal and pull the metal out. And so when I talked to Sid after they got the top off, he said, you know, the process will probably take a couple days. And so the crane's still down there as of this video, and they're still working on it. They are going to build a custom cap for it to keep the water out from inside while repairs and the rebuild of the crown is being done. The picture you're getting ready to see is actually what I took one evening. Chris and I went down, and the light was shining in, and you could actually see the brick inside and some of the work they've done. But as I was standing there looking at this, and it really hit me in the heart seeing this on the ground, knowing that it had been up top for 150 years, but I was standing in the shadow of the lighthouse, and I looked up as I was listening to some of the people talk about it, and the sun was positioned perfectly behind where the crown sat, and I thought to myself, and the light still shines on. Well, as you can see, our icon of beauty is going to be a little different for a while. This is a shot that I took early Monday morning, and this is a view that we see now from Fort Travis. In fact, this is from the event cam. So we're going to head on out. We just wanted to show you a little bit about what it looked like in the process, and we're going to keep you posted on what's happening with the Bolivar Lighthouse. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye.